Are you tired of your old oven taking forever to heat up? Frustrated with uneven cooking that leaves your meals half burnt and half raw? Looking for an upgrade that will transform your kitchen experience and elevate your culinary game? Today, we're diving deep into the world of electric wall ovens to bring you the 7 best options that promise to revolutionize your cooking. From budget-friendly models to premium smart ovens, we've tested each one extensively to help you make the perfect choice for your kitchen. Whether you're a weekend baker, a busy parent, or an aspiring chef, there's an oven on this list that will meet your needs and exceed your expectations. 7. GE Profile PTS 9200 SNSS Smart Built-in Twin Flex Convection Wall Oven. The GE Profile PTS 9200 SNSS enters our list at number 7, and while it's a premium offering from a respected brand, our extensive testing revealed some significant concerns that potential buyers should carefully consider. This 30-inch smart wall oven features a unique twin flex design that allows you to cook 2 different items at 2 different temperatures simultaneously, which sounds impressive on paper but proves problematic in practice. During our testing phase, we found the oven's most touted feature, the ability to split into 2 cooking zones, to be more of a marketing gimmick than a practical solution. The upper compartment, with its 2.2 cubic feet capacity, is surprisingly cramped and struggles with larger dishes. We attempted to cook a standard 9 by 13 casserole in the upper section and found it barely fit, with minimal clearance that made removal challenging and potentially dangerous. The lower compartment, while more spacious at 2.8 cubic feet, doesn't compensate for the upper section's limitations. The true European convection system, which GE heavily promotes, delivered mixed results in our testing. While it does provide decent air circulation, we noticed significant temperature inconsistencies, particularly in the upper compartment. When baking cookies on multiple racks, the results were uneven, with some cookies perfectly golden while others remained pale or became overcooked. This inconsistency became more pronounced when using both compartments simultaneously, suggesting the oven struggles to maintain precise temperature control across both zones. 6. ZLINE WAS 30 G Autograph Edition Wall Oven. The ZLINE WAS 30 G Autograph Edition claims to bring professional-grade performance to home kitchens, but our thorough testing revealed several areas where this oven falls short of its ambitious promises. Priced at around $2,650, this 30-inch electric wall oven positions itself as a premium option with its distinctive Durasnow stainless steel finish and polished gold handle, creating an undeniably attractive aesthetic that catches the eye. However, beneath the striking exterior, we discovered performance inconsistencies that are concerning for an oven in this price range. The true convection system, while functional, doesn't deliver the even heat distribution we expected from a professional-grade appliance. During our baking tests, we noticed hot spots in the rear corners and cooler zones near the door, resulting in uneven browning on sheet pans of cookies and inconsistent results with roasted vegetables. The temperature probe, while a nice addition, proved to be somewhat unreliable, occasionally providing readings that were off by 10 to 15 degrees from our independent thermometer. The air fry mode, one of ZLINE's highlighted features, performed adequately but didn't match the results we achieved with dedicated air fryers or even some competing wall ovens. The included air fry basket feels flimsy and doesn't maximize the oven's capacity effectively. We found that foods often required longer cooking times than suggested, and the results lacked the crispiness we expected from a quality air frying function. The convection fan, while powerful, tends to be noticeably loud during operation, which can be disruptive in open-concept kitchen designs. 5. Empava 24WE40L Electric Single Wall Oven. Moving into more positive territory, the Empava 24WE40L represents excellent value in the compact wall oven category. This 24-inch electric oven punches well above its weight class, delivering consistent performance at a fraction of the cost of larger competitors. With its 2.5 cubic feet capacity, it's perfectly sized for smaller kitchens, apartments, or as a secondary oven in larger cooking spaces. Our testing revealed impressive temperature accuracy and consistency throughout the cooking chamber. The hidden bake elements provide even heat distribution, and we consistently achieved excellent results with everything from delicate pastries to hearty casseroles. The 4 cooking modes, bake, keep warm, pizza, and broil, cover most essential cooking needs effectively. The pizza mode, in particular, delivered surprisingly good results, creating crispy crusts that rivaled much more expensive ovens. The build quality exceeded our expectations for an oven in this price range. The stainless steel construction feels solid, and the 3-layer tempered glass door provides excellent insulation while allowing clear visibility of cooking progress. The mechanical knob controls are intuitive and responsive, offering precise temperature control up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The 120-minute timer proved accurate and reliable throughout our testing period. Installation was straightforward, with clear instructions and all necessary hardware included. The compact dimensions make it ideal for tight spaces, and the professional style racks are sturdy and glide smoothly. The halogen lighting provides excellent interior visibility, and the large window makes monitoring cooking progress easy without opening the door. 4. Empava EMPV 24WOC0 2 Electric Single Wall Oven. The Empava EMPV 24WOC0 2 elevates the compact wall oven experience with advanced features and superior performance that impressed us throughout our extensive testing. This 24-inch electric oven combines the space efficiency of smaller units with the functionality typically found in much larger and more expensive models, making it an outstanding choice for modern kitchens. The standout feature is undoubtedly the true convection system with its powerful fan that circulates heated air uniformly throughout the cooking chamber. Our testing confirmed exceptional even heating, with temperature variations of less than 5 degrees across different rack positions. This consistency translated to perfectly baked goods, evenly roasted vegetables, and beautifully browned meats. The rotisserie function, included with this model, produced restaurant-quality results with whole chickens and roasts, creating crispy exteriors and juicy interiors. With 11 different cooking functions, including specialized modes for defrosting, proofing, and dehydrating, this oven offers remarkable versatility. The electronic controls with LED display are intuitive and precise, allowing for exact temperature and time settings. We particularly appreciated the automatic shut-off feature and the ability to program delayed start times, which proved invaluable for meal planning and busy schedules. The construction quality is impressive, featuring a black ceramic interior that not only looks premium, but also cleans easily and resists staining. The triple-layer tempered glass door with low radiation coating technology keeps the exterior cool to touch while providing excellent visibility. The telescoping racks are a thoughtful addition, extending fully for easy access to dishes without the risk of burns. 3. GASLAND ES609MS Built-in Electric Wall Oven. The GASLAND ES609MS secures the third position on our list by delivering professional-grade performance in a compact, feature-rich package that consistently impressed throughout our rigorous testing process. This 24-inch electric wall oven combines innovative design with practical functionality, offering 9 distinct cooking modes that cater to virtually every culinary need imaginable. The true convection system with 360-degree rotisserie function stands out as the oven's crown jewel. Our testing revealed exceptional heat circulation that eliminates hot spots and ensures uniform cooking results. The rotisserie feature produced outstanding results with whole chickens, creating perfectly crispy skin while maintaining incredibly juicy meat. The 5-layer shelf system maximizes the 2.3 cubic feet capacity, allowing for multiple dishes to cook simultaneously without compromising results. Build quality is exceptional, with 304 stainless steel construction that feels substantial and durable. The upgraded 3-layer tempered glass door with 1.4-inch thickness provides superior insulation while offering excellent visibility of cooking progress. The mechanical knob controls are precise and responsive, offering intuitive operation that doesn't require consulting the manual for basic functions. The enamel interior resists staining and cleans effortlessly with just a gentle wipe. The 9 cooking modes, including defrost, grill, conventional, convection, rotisserie, cooling fan, temperature control, and timer, provide remarkable versatility. Each mode performed flawlessly during our testing, with the convection mode delivering particularly impressive results for baking and roasting. The maximum temperature of 475 degrees Fahrenheit accommodates high-heat cooking techniques, while the precise temperature control ensures consistent results across all heat levels. 2. ThermoMate ESMW605 Electric Wall Oven. Claiming the second position, the ThermoMate ESMW605 represents the pinnacle of value engineering in electric wall ovens, delivering premium performance and features at a price point that makes high-quality cooking accessible to a broader range of home chefs. This exceptional oven consistently exceeded our expectations throughout months of rigorous testing, proving that outstanding performance doesn't always require a premium price tag. The convection system in the ESMW605 is simply outstanding, providing heat circulation that rivals ovens costing twice as much. Our extensive baking tests revealed remarkable consistency, with temperature variations of less than 3 degrees across all rack positions. This precision translated to perfectly even browning on sheet pans of cookies, consistently risen bread loaves, and beautifully roasted meats with ideal caramelization. The multiple cooking functions, controlled through intuitive mechanical interfaces, responded precisely to adjustments and maintained stable temperatures throughout extended cooking sessions. Construction quality impressed us from the moment we unboxed the unit. The stainless steel exterior resists fingerprints and maintains its appearance even with heavy daily use. The interior cavity, finished in easy clean enamel, proved remarkably resistant to staining and required minimal effort to maintain. The double-pane glass door provides excellent insulation while offering clear visibility, and the interior lighting is bright and evenly distributed throughout the cooking chamber. Performance across all cooking methods was exceptional. Baking produced consistently excellent results, with cakes rising evenly and cookies browning uniformly. The convection roasting mode created restaurant-quality results with meats and vegetables, developing beautiful caramelization while maintaining moisture. 1. Empava Single Gas Wall Oven. Taking the top spot on our list, the Empava Single Gas Wall Oven represents the perfect synthesis of performance, features, and value that makes it our clear choice for the best electric wall oven available today. This exceptional appliance consistently delivered outstanding results throughout our comprehensive testing period, proving that superior cooking performance can be achieved without the premium pricing typically associated with high-end wall ovens. The convection system with rotisserie function is simply phenomenal, providing heat circulation and cooking precision that rivals professional-grade equipment. Our testing revealed remarkable temperature consistency throughout the cooking chamber, with variations of less than 2 degrees across all rack positions. This exceptional uniformity translated to consistently perfect results across all cooking methods, from delicate pastries that rose evenly to perfectly roasted meats with ideal caramelization and moisture retention. The 2.3 cubic feet capacity, while compact, is intelligently designed to maximize cooking space. The 5 adjustable rack positions accommodate various dish sizes and cooking methods, while the included professional-grade accessories, including grilling rack, baking tray, and rotisserie equipment, provide everything needed for diverse culinary adventures. The CSA certification and doubled industry standard warranty demonstrate the manufacturer's confidence in build quality and reliability. What truly sets this oven apart is its exceptional build quality and attention to detail. The 18-gauge stainless steel construction with brushed satin finish resists dents, scratches, and corrosion while maintaining its appearance even with heavy daily use. Final thought. That's all for today.